You are telling people from the Sasa say you are Igbo, and they are telling you they are not Igbo. And you are an Igbo man, you are telling them that you are Igbo. Your head is not correct.
This video is for those shameless unity beggars that usually go about on social media insulting other tribes. They want everybody to become Igbo. They have been taking the footstep of their Igbo Biafra master. They go about on social media insulting other tribes, trying to distort the history of other tribes. It is very, very stupid of this group of people who call themselves Igbo Biafra, going about, they insult people from South region, they insult people from other ethnic nationalities, trying to turn their history to become Igbos, just for one reason, because they want access to the sea. That is why they have been trying to distort everybody's history.
My brother, not my them. Children of iniquity, daughter of Zion, sons of the valley, my greeting. They don't want to follow you. They begin drag them. Make una go. They don't want to follow una go. Everybody now na Igbo. Port Harcourt na Igbo. Edo na Igbo. Asaba na Igbo. Delta na Igbo. Everybody now na Igbo. I hear one that where your guy they talking that day say Kogi State na Igbo. But the boy stay when they back off now. I want to say Igbo and say they not be Igbo. Una they drag. Una won't even know where una come from. Una won't even know where una come from. Today una come from Abraham. Tomorrow una come from Israel. Next tomorrow una come for America. Una will be saying una never even settle and know where una come from. Know the root of una. Where una begin, wait till be make Igbo be Igbo. I never even search it and know where you people come from. You begin drag all that state. They say they don't want to follow. We Edo, we don't be Igbo. We don't want to follow una. We not be Igbo. Delta say they not be Igbo. Port Harcourt say they not be Igbo. They are not Igbo. They say Agbo. When we say half of them are Isha name, now they be. Agbo when we say with the fresh water for the same river. Now I want drag. They say they are not going with you. You shall go now. As you go now. We are not going with you people. We Edo, we know they go with you now. One thought that day, if you eventually get Biafra, Edo will be our slave. Yeah. Well, that slave chain went there your forefather leg and in neck, you see reach your hand. You never cut her.
I'd rather be a unity beggar than to be a one-man gara. In case you are seeing my video for the first time, my name is Chukwuemeka Kogolo. I am from Onichubo in Aniocha North Local Government of Delta State. First thing first, I want to tender a great apology for every woman in Southeast. Please, Lao, please forgive us. They say we are unity beggars. I'm begging you people to forgive everyone who said he's an Igbo man in South, who says he's an Igbo man in North Central. We have offended you people for so long by denying our identity. I am begging, please forgive us. And when you see videos like the one I played, please do not be emotionally attached. Leave the fight for us. I'm an Igbo man in South, as they used to say. So, now we cause this wahala because we want to identify as Igbo. Please, no pull mouth for this matter. Leave the fight for us. Let us engage ourselves. Of course, when we say fight, it's not physical, but let us engage ourselves. Now, to the main point. As a science student, the fundamental rule for the law of conservative energy said that energy can neither be destroyed or created. Rather, it moves from one form to the other. But my dad teach me something. He said, my son, that is theory. That is science. In real life, energy spread in a wrong direction is wasted. These three young people that you watch their video wasted all their time, energy, years, money going to school. And two things is involved. Either they know the truth or either they know the truth but deliberately want to push a wrong narrative because they hate Igbo. Or they don't know the truth, but whichever way, They are bad people to follow. And as I'm talking, I'm carefully selecting my word. I'm not speaking against their tribe. I don't care to know their tribe. I'm talking about individual. You know, these are the set of people who went to school, but they are not educated. Exactly. One of the simplest topics that many of us neglect is logic reasoning. You see that primary school verbal attitude and quantitative analysis that most of us look as very simple. That is where they teach you how to reason, how to think out of the box, how to look at it critically. This is why people like us love playing chess. I love playing chess, Scrabble, I love playing even Sudoku. Those games that need you thinking, I'm not talking about draft, yeah. Because people when they play draft now go teach all of us they're the same boat. Okay, I'm talking of chess. The 868 box of pawn, king, knight, queen, bishop, you know, castle. I'm talking of that. I'm talking of Scrabble. I'm talking of Sudoku. Those are the kind of games I love playing because they give your mental strength the ability to think. That is where you will know whether you have logic reasoning. You may underlook that course in the school, but today you can see that is reason some of us in this social media cannot think. People will open camera and speak rubbish. The most painful part of life is when an ignorant man open camera and speak rubbish with confidence. If you remember, there's a time I made a video that the most 21st century illiterate are those who cannot unlearn and relearn. Mostly those who confidently say that South is their origin. You can see it. And when we say this thing, they come out and they thank God that no Igbo man in the Southeast is making video to do this. We are South people. We are the one dragging ourselves. I have brothers in Edo State who are Igbos. Indigenous. I have brothers in River State. Indigenous. I have brothers in Delta State. Indigenous. Igbos. Let me shock you. The Ohaneze PG of Anyoma is from Eka precisely. For any man, when they come and say they are dragging Abo, a man is Ohaneze PG. President, the Secretary General of Ohaneze is an Anyoma son from Anyocho Oshimili. Last few months, I shared the video where the Asaba of Asaba is congratulating her for being the Secretary General. So I don't see why you people think that you know better than us. But because you hate Igbo, that is why you are making all these statements. These are people's boyfriend and girlfriend. These are people's uncle, sons, and senior brother and senior sister. Not to take anything away from them. I'm not trying to insult their tribe. But the question I want to ask, can any shaman claim that South is his origin? Exactly. Imagine an Igala man, knowing fully that he's an Igala man, claiming he's an Igala man, that Igala, his origin is not central. Imagine a Fulani man claiming that his origin and tribe is not west. I don't understand. Nobody does that, but when it reach our turn, you want us to accept that our origin and tribe is South and Delta. But I don't blame you guys. I blame some of the Benin ambassadors among us who illiteracy has eaten up and self-hate. Those who think that accepting Igbo or denying Igbo is to show Igbo people in the Southeast shege. Meanwhile, you don't know that you are denying yourself who nature has made you. This guy that claims he's an Ishan, can he say that Edo is his tribe? When has a state become your tribe? When has geopolitical zone become your tribe? Can the girl claim to be Benin? Can the Benin claim Ishan? Because there's a different entity between both of you. The state join you together, but it doesn't mean that you are the same. Doesn't mean that you are the same ancestry. If they ask any of them, can any of them say that the state is their tribe? We have different ethnic group in Delta. None of us have ever made a video say Delta is Igbo. Because no Urobo man go fit come and say Delta is Urobo. He can only say I'm from Delta, but I'm an Urobo man in Delta. Because if he does that, the job people go full and drag. If he does that, the Shakiri man go full and drag. If he does that, the Kure man go full and drag. The same thing with us. We're only saying we're Igbo, but because you have a hatred for the Igbo, you are not trying to change the narrative to drag them and say Igbo people are forcing the old Delta. We never said that. I'm a Delta man. I'm a South man, but I'm an Igbo man. If you don't want to deal with it, go and hug Transformer. Go and hug Transformer. People cannot win this battle. If you think that what we are saying is a lie, come and challenge us educatively. Stop gaslighting people. These are my kings that went with us to Abuja. Kings in Anioma that went with us in Abuja to go and see the deputy senate president. Tell me say na IPOB they pay them. Tell me say they don't know their history. Tell me say they pay them. Because that's how you goes. Anybody that says something that does not make sense to you, once it's favoring the Southeastern Igbo, you claim they are being paid. They are being paid, right? Is that what you're saying? Okay. Yokowa, a former governor of Delta said he's Igbo. Who paid him? Ned Nwoko, who paid him? The Obi of Owa, who paid him? Anything I'm telling you, I'm going to bring evidence if you want. I have videos where those who have made the comment. Honorable Ndudi Elumelu, the brother to Tony Elumelu, who paid him to say in the floor of the National Assembly that he's an Igbo man. I'm proud to be an Igbo man. Dumebi Kachuku, a presidential candidate in 2022, said he's an Igbo man. I have the video in my system. Who paid him to? By so Stogana, can I go on? The former Hanese, who paid those ones? You cannot win this battle. The Obi of Onchubo, my own village, has ascertained that we're Igbo. So why are you thinking that it's the Southeastern Igbos that are coming to drag you people? You people are being pained because Igbo unification has come to stay. You are being pained because the narrative have changed. You are being pained because 99% of people now know the truth. You want to, every time when we talk now, you say IPOB, Biafra, Biafra, Biafra. You want to use it because many of you think that when you say that, you will not make people to start hating us, you know, when you say that, so that people will not say, hey, because of Biafra, because you know that Nigerians has a partial hate for the Igbos, so that whenever they say Biafra, they want to divide Nigeria, every other person will create the hate. Oga, you know they work again. We are past that stage. This lie will not fly in 21st century. You got to devise another means. And the only means you can divide that will make you win us in this argument is for you to come with tangible proof and evidence. Logic reasoning. South that was created by the so-called Igbo man, Alex Ekweme, may he so rest in peace, the former vice president of Nigeria. He created the South and gave it to Sani Abacha in 1996 when C State was created by Abacha. And he decided to call it. Now, Igbo man gave you South and you are shouting at Willow. Were you not in the former Midwest? Now they carve you from Midwest, join Akwa Ibom, cross River State and Bayelsa. They are already in the Eastern region before. But you are not shouting at Willow that you are South. So South is your tribe. So an Ijoman will claim, say, he's not Ijo, he's South. Yes, South is a political region. But what of the Jaws that are in Ondo State, called Western Nigeria today, Southwest, would also claim that Southwest is their tribe, they're not Ijo? Is that what you're saying? Once you reach Igbo people, una just the vex, the thing just the pain una no one accept the truth. Oh boy, I told you for 10 good years. You go see my video tire. I'm happy when I see you people reacting like this. You know what? It means that the message is successfully delivered. When you people stay and make videos like this, it shows that what we are doing is actually hitting you people. When you cannot bear it, you set camera and speak rubbish. Like I always ask this question, if you're an Isha man, watching this girl. Why can't you correct her? Be you to know Lodo like her? When did the South become your origin? When a political creation become your origin? That is the question we're asking. A political creation like a state or a geopolitical zone is your now origin? Even if you hate Indibo, why can't you say the truth for once? Except people have a very bad intention just to paint Indibo back and just spin narrative. The next thing people will do when we don't catch on with positive talk like this, you say, hand will soon touch you. Oga, nobody will arrest me for declaring that I'm an Igbo man in Delta State. Nobody will arrest me. If I commit another crime, it's a different issue. But the fact that my identity is Igbo in Delta State, I see they wait for who go even challenge me. One-on-one, set a debate. Come and defend how we, from a 1K in Edo State to Asaba, and Okwan is not Igbo. Nobody can do that. I see they challenge them. I see they talk for public. Anybody, including professor, including your king, including elders, who think that he knows the history or he can prove that we are not Igbo should bring fact and evidence, both archaeology and everyone. Let's table it down. I've said this thing over and over for more than 2 years. Nobody has got the mind to challenge me. And I'm not a professor. I'm not just a pure science student. I be. But there are evidences left and right. Evidences. We have not said the entire Delta State is Igbo. We have not said the entire South. Now you are saying because they don't have river, that's why they are looking for a way for sea. That's how people have been going up and down and be saying Igbos want to collect they want to force us to people because they don't have oil. Now that the Imo State it has the biggest oil deposit in the entire Nigeria, West Africa and down to the world, everybody must down quiet. People are no more changing the narrative. Shebibo people no get see, they no get see. But Abia State is building seaport now. We see are they building. I'm out of here.